morning. It is Saturday morning, and we are pulling into Nassau as we speak. We're going to go up and grab a bite to eat, and we're going to meet the princesses. We're staying on the boat, the ship today, because we want to explore the ship. So you can see there we are pulling into Nassau right now. Salines. Got the hand resting stations.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah.
Hot water. No, it's like really hot. Great.
So as you walk in, there's a little coffee bar over there. Got breakfast. The eggs, croissant, bacon, and hash brown. Got a Colombian hash and eggs. There's gonna be coffee. And sparkling. So we just, we're back in the room real quick, made a quick pit stop. We're gonna go meet the princesses. And we're parked, and they cleared the ship to go ashore. We are not gonna go ashore. We're treating this like a sea day. We have meeting the princesses, then we have brunch at Palo, and then we're gonna go to Rainforest. I'm saying Rainforest Cafe. Rainforest Spa. Anyway, we're parked across from the Independence of the Seas. So now we're meeting the princesses at the Royal Princess Gathering. Hey, how are you doing?
Good morning, everyone. How are you? Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, I made it myself. Yes, very good. Thank you very much. I had a lot of time on my hands. Yes. Well, Pascal got to help me too.
Oh, well, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Good to know that we're putting him to good use.
Yes, we are. And sometimes I make him little dresses too. He doesn't like it very much. No.
Hi, how are you?
Well, friend, should we get a portrait together?
Thank you. All right, you have a great day.
Hi, friends. Got my next story. That's very nice. On the shelves in the library.
Good, as he should. He should do the work.
He's a perfect gentleman.
I brought my gentleman. Me too.
Hi, how are you doing? Nice to meet you. Yeah, El Beast, we said hi.
Absolutely.
Look at this. Thank you. You have a great day.
It's all very godmother's doing. She's
An amazing job. So beautiful.
I'll tell her you said so. She's quite proud of her work, and I think she should be.
As well she should be. I brought my prince too, so.
How are you doing? Very good to see you.
So got lots of exploring
Yeah.
to do.
Yes. So excited. The ship is absolutely beautiful.
There's so much to see and so much to do.
Oh my
so
God.
I almost don't know where to begin sometimes.
No, I know. We started at the very beginning.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh, do you want to get? Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You are very important in our household. My niece and nephew are obsessed with you.
That's so kind.
Well, they probably know my little friend Hey very well. They absolutely do, and my niece absolutely loves him. Me too. He's a funny little chicken. So I've been looking for him. He's been running around this boat, so you'll have to let me know if you see him. I definitely will. That's trouble. Trouble on the loose. It's not a good thing. For sure. Always trying to jump in the water. I have baskets. Well, if anyone's going to save them, it's me. Thank you, friends. I got my best to keep an eye on them, too. I've got my prince here, too.
Hi, how are you doing?
And what is your name?
I'm Bobby.
Very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
And where did you move here from?
Philadelphia.
That's so cool.
Oh yeah.
You know, I've never been there before. Is that an island like once in a week?
It's not that close to the ocean.
Not quite. Not
Yeah, it's about-
tropical or not nearly as friendly, unfortunately. But, but we love it. It's home.
I'd love to visit sometime. Maybe you will come visit my island too.
We would love it. We would absolutely love it.
Say you. Should we take a photo together for now?
Definitely. Did you want to get one solo first and then get two of us? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
I got this from Moana's camera.
Okay, first talk to the ocetion. So thank you.
It's a very good
Right? Can I get one solo shot of you? Is that right? Thank you so much. Have a great day. How you doing? Oh,
Are you taking photos?
Yep.
Can I have your signal?
Oh, it's 9618. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my friend. You're so kind. Thank you. I keep forgetting I'm royalty sometimes, and I look at this gown, and it'll be a big old reminder of the whole adventure.
You are a queen all day. I'll never forget that.
Thanks.
Loved your body.
Oh, I'm so glad you enjoyed it. And you had some beignets while you later and tell me what you think.
Will do. Thank you.
Of course. We'd love to get some pictures of it.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Mind if I get in?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You enjoy the rest of
All
your
right,
day.
thank you. Tree's amazing. So we just met the princesses. That was very cool. They're all very nice. I think
Yes.
that was the first time we met Moana.
Yes.
The other ones I think we've met before.
I don't remember meeting
Rapunzel? I know Rapunzel we met in the park.
Oh, maybe that's what it
It's
was.
the first time seeing her on the ship, I think. For us, anyways. But
Very
the others, Tiana and Cinderella and Belle, we've seen before.
They
They're all,
looked beautiful.
they're all
Absolutely
very beautiful. It's so cool. You get all the rooms. There's the restaurants. There's the ice cream shop. The rooms. It's so funny how like the magnets has become such a thing that they make it part of the artwork. Bibbidi bobbidi. Different coffee shops and lounges. Sensa Spa. Pretty cool. It's Moana. Doing an open house at the Marvel. So we're gonna check it out. It's Oceaneer Club. Is that where it is? That's cool, Black Widows. That is really cool. Oh wow. This is really cool.
Oh, so that means we're in here. Not gonna be able to see them.
These are really cool. Got little iPads for kids to do interactive stuff. Marvel area, so you got. So we missed the Black Panther line. They already cut the line off, so we'll see if we can catch them again. But Spidey, Captain Marvel, Hulk, Iron Man. There's Ant-Man and the Wasp. There's Black Panther. That's pretty cool. Cool. What's up? Very cool artwork. A little haunting, but it works. Yeah, see, so each stairwell has like a really cool portrait. I'm gonna take a walk up and down the stairwells at one point. Doing an open house, we can go back in. So right now it's an open house. We pretty much have the place to ourselves. Aiden and I are the only ones in here. So, Cantina Band's not playing. And most of the time there's some very shady characters in here. You know what that's like. Anyways, this place is really cool. It's a lot smaller in person. So, we'll see if at some point we can get in here and have a drink. But for now, let's go explore the ship. Got her in here to see it. What do you think, Aileen?
Pretty cool. I love it.
Like it?
Really beautiful. Maybe you just can't beat it.
Definitely neat.
Unbelievable.
Definitely cool. We'll be back. See, we gotta fit this little guy in my suitcase. It's gotta come home with me. Whoa. So yeah, very cool lounge.
We're back from space.
We're back, we made it back. The river's Bayou. Which the Bayou's definitely bigger. It's open. Yeah. Nightingales. Like a piano bar, right?
Yeah.
And we're going right now outside of guest services there. Got an interactive Mickey picture. Or mini picture, rather. She does move. And then there's another Cinderella portrait here. Or tapestry, I guess I should say. And here's guest services. So guest services is laid out differently than the other ships. The seat even looks differently. And compared to on the other ships, if you go downstairs to the left, now there's shops. That's usually where guest services is on the other 4 ships. So.
From time to time, a wish is made. A wish that's like a call. It's heard by friends across the seas from kingdoms big and small.
It's basically an invite, see? A wish that calls them here to a royal kind of gathering that happens once a year.
A chance for friends to join us of the royal sort, you see.
There's someone here to meet you for a sort of wishing spree.
Wait, why are we rhyming?
Oh, I don't know.
Do we need this for the wish?
Well, a wish that rhymes is like a spell. Who cast was wishing this?
Ooh, a wand that's full of magic. Hey, that'll do the trick. But wish upon that wishing star with rhyming. And make it quick.
Wishing star, please grant this wish and call up your friends here. Our princesses, our heroes, from kingdoms far and near. It's time for celebration. Huzzah to you, most loyal. You all are welcomed. Give a cheer to a gathering most royal.
Whether it's the smallest mouse or the king himself, she knows that kindness is magic that can transform the world. For it's kindness that conquers all. Please welcome Princess Cinderella! Oh, and a little bit of magic, hard work, and the courage to keep on trying can make a dream come true. And she did it despite the obstacles she faced. From the kingdom of New Orleans, it's Princess Tiana! Excellent.
It takes courage to see beauty where others don't, and she had the confidence to know that it's not there to look for a beast like an army from Paul Cransley's on the Princess Belle.
Yes, hello.
Curiosity about this on the Princess Rapunzel.
Yes! Hurrah! Oh, and a strong-willed wayfarer with great pride in who she is and the challenges that they face her. She's what we're doing! It's Moana! Yes!
Yes, welcome our royal friends with grand applause as we invite them to receive their special guests. Let's cheer them along, then we will pray.
Lovely. But before we become royal friends, know this. This royal wish will only last a little while. For when the wishing star chimes, our guests must depart. But we shall bid them farewell with a full and thankful heart. I'm rhyming again, aren't I? Well, enough of my chatter, no further ado. Let's go meet our friends. I leave it to you. Oh, pumpkin seeds. Go ahead, Lady Lily. I'm so jealous of you right now. I wish I were hiding. Yes, well, Rapunzel, Cinderella, Moana, and Tiana. Now with the royalty all gathered, let the royal gathering begin! Ooh, I better go get in line.
Hey, how you doing? So this is the Rose Lounge. It's really nice. It smells really good in here, cheese.
Are we the right way?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. There's Palo Steakhouse. You see the wine. You leave heaven. Alright, so news flash. We checked in for Palo Brunch. The girl asked if I had jeans. I probably could have said no, but Haley and I were debating about it. So we changed real quick, probably gel the hair, put on some pants and a nicer shirt, and go out for brunch. May just throw the outfit I had on last night because it's still hanging in the closet drying. So be quick. Here we go. Let's do this.
I took a picture of it because I wasn't sure.
That would be the best.
No, it's the steak was steak was glazed.
You didn't like it?
Ordinary drink. It was Prosecco, Mimosa. What was the third one?
Some non-alcoholic
Yeah.
one. I forget what it was.
So I went with the Prosecco. Mimosa, that's the guy I'd be in the mood for. We'll try that. Cheers, baby.
Cheers, bud. Our first brunch.
Do it.
How many years later?
An hour. Really good.
So the sweetness of the balsamic helps to balance on the flavor.
Perfect. Thank you.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was very good.
Really?
I'm not a big olive person, that's why I didn't touch the olives, but everything else was amazing. Yeah, somebody loves olives.
Sir, would you like some fresh pepper for the Benedict?
No, I think I'm good. Like, yeah.
Do you have any whipped?
Someone got the Mickey waffle, huh? It's amazing. When I did the Eggs Benedict, there was 3 different versions. I got the regular, so it's pretty good. We're gonna give it a shot. It does look really good.
Before we start talking
Got
about
black bread.
that is food honestly
That.
cilantro?
No, cilantro is just
A lot of food, but it's really good.
Any time frame?
So we have the chicken parmesan, unique lasagna bolognese.
These are so beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
like some as well,
Yes,
sir?
please.
No, it is a parmesan crusted chicken breast, but there's no such thing as too much cheese.
Right? That's my motto.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. That looks amazing. Look at that. There's the dessert menu. Palo Steakhouse. That's the chocolate cake.
Yes.
Lava cake.
Oh yeah.
Chocolate fondue. Looks amazing. So this is the Rainforest Cafe. This is where you walk in. There's a little drink station here with like sparkling water, cold water, and then hot water if you wanted tea. You can go around here. There's bathrooms, so you don't have to go back to the locker. There's the towels in the towel return. And as you walk through here, there's an ice room. Sort of like a sauna but for ice. And there's these water chairs. And the showers are kind of mixed around. There's another shower there. There's the stone chairs, which I love. And there's other chairs that you can get have water dripping on you when you're sitting there. There's some more stone chairs back there. And there's one of the saunas. And this is the door to the refrigerator. And there's another shower here. And another sauna there. And more towels. And a little fridge area. I think they usually have other towels there, like chilled. And you go out here. And this is the outdoor area. So you go through these doors. And here, shower. I'm gonna film. There's two saunas. There's a sauna there and a sauna there. Or a sauna, not hot tub, rather, sorry. And there's an outdoor shower there. And you can see there's like chairs and stuff. I'm trying not to film any actual people. What I don't like though, it's cool that it's open air and all. That's what I don't like. You can have people staring at you. So it's almost like you're in a little fishbowl. So you go down here. Chairs are kind of neat. There's hanging lounge chairs. And you're open out to the outside, obviously. But then people could just walk around the deck up there and look at you. Which I think is silly. Hot tubs are nice and all, but hot tubs on the other ships like overlook the ocean and they're more private. They're a little bit smaller than these. But so that's it. And the outdoor showers. So that looks like there. This is the back of where the hot tubs are. So the hot tubs are pretty big. And you come here. And you're right back in here. In here, so you can kind of see. It's not as cold as I thought it was going to be in here. We got all the places to sit. And you got ice in that thing. And you got cold air blowing from there. So. One of the saunas right here. I'm not sure nobody's in here. Yeah, nobody's in here. So I'm gonna see what they look like. Get an idea. It's definitely hot. Let's see what this one does. So these are a little different than the other ship. This turns it on. Or not control, sorry, that controls the temperature. This turns them on. So you see that first one does that. The second one comes out from the sides. That's the chairs we were just on. And these are the showers. There's the rejuvenation. It's probably where we just came in. See, and there's the treatment rooms. And then changing rooms and reception. Here's the front area. Get ice cream? Can I do it? Can you do a vanilla chocolate swirl? Vanilla chocolate swirl? Yeah. And just like that, we're leaving the Bahamas. It's 5:30. Show's at 6. We're gonna get changed real quick and run to the show. But we're on our way. Heading out. All the board was 5:15. They don't play. 5:30. We're already undocked and going. So see you later, Nassau. Then hang a right. And walk, follow this path down towards the left. I already got you now.
Yo.
Good job. Awesome. So that was the Little Mermaid. I don't get the whole thing with the treasure chest. Alright, Minnie.
Oh my god, how cute.
Nah, I'm gonna wait in line. This is so cool.
That is so cute.
So cool.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, there's the family portrait. That's so cool. So the windows are all frosted glass. And they're like snowflakes. Yeah. Even the floors have like the decor. They did an amazing job on this.
What were you?
503, please. Yeah.
What was your bid?
One more time. Hello there. I am Lukin, and I'm pleased to be welcoming you to Arendelle.
That woman, she's like, I need to go to like the Mario restaurant. I'm like, what?
Got the soup, I got the ham tart. What kind of soup is that?
Split meat.
Hello, dear. Welcome to Arendelle, person wearing mouse ears and other person wearing mouse ears.
Bye, guys.
Enjoy the rest of the celebration.
Fun tonight? Sure.
Thank you very much.
To the party tonight. I hope you all have fun.
You can run whatever you need to run.
The Selena Seabass?
Oh yeah.
That's really good. I got the steak.
That's the butternut.
brunch is our football. You get to make 2 moves. You need to keep the same shape, but the football needs to be outside of the goal without touching it. So 2 moves keep the same shape. The football needs to be out of the goal, but do not touch the football. Got it?
Got it.
Does that be that football?
It's not the same shit. Oh, it is! Nice! You did it! That's it!
I don't know if that's right.
That's right.
That was 2 moves, right?
That was 2 moves.
What did you do?
I don't know.
I said only 2 moves.
I did this. 1, 2. And that's a football now?
Nah,
Did I
I've
cheat?
never seen this one before, but you did what I said.
Yeah, right? Is that right? Or?
But I mean, you touched the football, sorry, so it's right.
Oh, all right. So
Yeah,
that's
you touched the
that
football.
can't change.
So
Okay.
you cannot touch the football.
Okay.
Football. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
different. Okay.
All right.
Wait, where was that one? Oh, here.
Back here, yeah. So back to the drawing board here.
I can't believe it was that easy. I could not get it. That's crazy.
Good job, good job.
Good job,
Tomorrow
you.
again.
That's brilliant.
Don't get me next time. Want to get a picture, Palo? That's a nice one too, right?
That was a cute show.
Very cute. Go ahead. Do you want to get a picture next to that?
I'll get yours.
Oh, you already got it.
Ah.
And of course, in Disney Parks fashion, get dumped in the gift shop.
Yeah, I think
This is inaugural. This was also inaugural.
Oh.
Got him back out? She never called, huh? That's sharp.
Come on, that's a winner.
I like that. That was really nice. So I told Foster if he wants to leave extra chocolates, knock himself out. I wouldn't hate it. And look what he left. Oh yeah. He's gonna get a very nice tip. And is that a crab? Is that a crab, kid?
I think so.
Oh, it's a gorgeous ship. The layout's still a little weird,
Yeah.
but everything's really sharp.
Everything's absolutely beautiful. And look,
The
we haven't even
elevator-
checked out the adult area yet. Isn't
Nah,
that
we
weird?
actually haven't yet.
That is
That is
not.
it's not like us. Do not check that out. So you can't see the fireworks from here. I'm actually inside the room, but we ended up getting a notice that you're not allowed to go out on your deck during the fireworks. You got to go up to the top deck to watch it. And then you can't leave any personal stuff on there either, because I guess if stuff falls down, if it hits your deck, it's a fire hazard. If you notice over there's another cruise ship out in the distance doing fireworks. I don't know if that's another Disney ship, because Disney I thought was the only cruise line that could do fireworks, but unless maybe other cruise lines started doing it since Disney does it. But you hear the fireworks. I was gonna go up, but we were just kind of both being a little, sitting on the couch just kind of like, what do we want to do? want to go upstairs and deal with the crowd or crash out. So yeah, you can't really even see it from here because of the way the decks are, because it goes off pretty close to the ship and it's high. So it's not like it's like you're in the Magic Kingdom, but you watch it from the Contemporary. But it's definitely a fun show to watch. We'll go up there next cruise. So yeah, that's the one bad thing about knowing you're going to be on the ship longer. You go, oh, I'll do it next time. Like even downstairs, Pirate Mickey and Pirate Minnie were out. The lines happened to be cut off. We were like, oh, we'll get them next time. And it's like those kind of things happen, and then next time comes and something else comes up. So it's a little bit dangerous. So we just got room service. We got a couple chocolate milks. And we got a couple hot chocolates. We got cookies last night, but we still have some left, so we don't want to reorder them. It's cool now that we're platinum members. You get a gift. They give you 3 options. So one of them was this truffles. So there's 5 truffles in here. Oh, these are different flavors.
Nice.
Open it. And another one was a bottle of Prosecco. So there's milk chocolate, sea salt, caramel, dark chocolate, vanilla, milk chocolate, and raspberry. I know what somebody's gonna want. Damn, they look good.